Good morning. So the weather forecast was rain for this morning, but as you can see it is very nice and sunny, so I'm really happy. I'm just out taking Lola for a walk. This afternoon I am off to London to do a cooking class. I'm so excited and a little bit nervous to do it, but basically one of my favorite hair brands, OGX, have challenged me to do something that makes me feel bright as part of their Be Bright campaign. So over these past couple of weeks I've been using the biotin and collagen shampoo from OGX, which is amazing. My hair is quite fine, so it really helps give the effect of thicker, fuller, healthier all-round hair. My hair's like blowing in the wind as I walk. And then I've been using the coconut water conditioner, which is all about hydration. It makes your hair super shiny. I'll show you when the sun comes back out. And honestly, since using those two, like, I never really considered using a different shampoo and conditioner. I've always used the same ones, but it actually works really well. So yeah, that's what I washed my hair with this morning, and then I just curled it. I'm just gonna finish taking Lola for a walk, and then my friend Chloe is gonna come over. I think we're gonna grab some food in London. I really fancy going to Westfield. It's like my favourite place to go when I go to London. Maybe have a look around some shops, grab some lunch, and then we have our cooking class. So I'm going to take you along with me. The reason I wanted to do the cooking class is because recently I've been getting some really bad bloating and tummy pains, which I'm thinking it's a gluten intolerance. I have been working with a nutritionist to kind of do like a little food diary and find out what it is, but it keeps coming back to things like pizza and pasta. So I thought it would be a good idea to do a gluten-free cooking class, just so that I have some options of things to make. I'm literally the world's laziest cook. I'm anxious and excited now, but it's going to be so good to challenge my anxiety and do something that's like so out of my comfort zone, because my anxiety is like, no, don't do it. Here we go, just got back into the sun, so hopefully you can see how shiny and soft my hair is. Look who's here! Chloe has arrived, so now we can get going to London. I'm so hungry, so I think we're gonna grab some food. Are you really? Starving. I have, the only thing I have with me is Kit Kat mini thing. I know, they look amazing. It shouldn't be too long a drive actually, because where we're going is a good area of London. I usually hate driving in London. We made it to London, drove here all in one piece, pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. And now we are heading to Westfield for some food. I'm not sure, like, I feel like we shouldn't eat too much because I don't know whether we're gonna be eating like lots this evening at the cooking class. I don't really know how it works. We are here. When your friend has their food and you're sat there waiting for yours. Come on guys, we want to go shopping. Just come into Topshop. There's literally, oh my god, this is so me. I feel like I need this. So many cute bits, so much leopard print. Literally, I bought the exact same skirt and a denim jacket in Primark. Cruella de Vil jacket, well, except cow print. In Zara, walking around the whole shop so that Chloe can buy a plain t-shirt. I picked up some bits in Topshop. Are we sorted? Have we chosen? We've got a stripy tee. We're here.
Try and keep it more green based, because you're getting more of the nutrients. Coconut water, no, is absolutely wonderful. It's sometimes actually better for water. I know water is the most pure thing on the planet, but it will hydrate you, especially if you work out, it hydrates you quicker. Of course, it's full of antioxidants.
So guys, we're here at the cooking class. We've just learned all about smoothies, and now we are about to do a, what's it called, an Asian... cauliflower, no,
Asian mixed grain
Asian mixed grain spice bowl. I'm very excited. We've got our little basket of ingredients here. You have to have some muscles for this.
It's good though, isn't it?
Yeah.
So B12 complex is good, and also to take turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory for everything. Only reason you get ill with disease is if you are inflamed.
Smells so good.
Just mix it all together.
Oh, it smells so good.
I just wanted to obviously do two things today to
Yeah.
show you.
The best bit about the cooking is the eating. Oh, yum, yum, yum. We're taking all the food home, all of the brownies. Guys, we've just finished the cooking class. How do you feel? Do you feel bright?
I feel bright. I feel very bright.
I actually feel bright because I feel like we've eaten a lot of healthy stuff. Even the brownies were healthy. You didn't try one.
I didn't try one, but
they
I
were really
I
good.
bought back a whole bag of food.
We've literally got so much food. We learned so much about food and nutrition and how it's linked to different things, how it's linked to mental health, how it's linked to like your insides, about antioxidants.
Literally, I'm so full.
Yeah.
I'm happy now.
Everything was quite easy to make. Like, I feel like we could definitely make it at home. Hair is still looking bright. All in all, a pretty good day. Did some shopping, did a lot of eating, did some cooking. Cooking class completed. Hello guys, so it's now about a week since I've been on the cooking course, and I thought I would just do a little video because tonight me and Sam are gonna have a go. So I have the recipe here. Joy gave it to us from the class. I'm not gonna lie, Sam does do all the cooking in our relationship and he's made a start, so I'm gonna have to like make an effort now and actually cook this. We didn't have a few of the ingredients, so I've had to substitute them.
Here we find the lesser spotted Madeline in her unnatural habitat of in front of the cooker.
Shut up.
We see her gently prepping her meals. She can go up to 35 minutes without eating.
Don't mind me just sauteing my onions as I do every single night.
As she does
When was the last time I did this? Probably like last year. No, I did make you pasta the other night.
She attempted to make me pasta the other night.
Tempted! Are you filming? Because I've literally only put the onions in the pan. Woo! We are done. I mean, it looks alright. It definitely doesn't look the same as when we made it, but I have obviously changed a few things to it. Hopefully it tastes alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's good.
It is good.
It is bloody lovely. Good enough for girl.
Just making the brownies. I've only had one tantrum so far. So just to show you, they are actually beetroot brownies. I'm actually grating the beetroot into them. In fact, I don't know whether I should do it on a smaller grate.
More importantly, chocolate.
Oh yeah, chocolate obviously.
But just chocolate.
Oh yes. And here we have the finished product. How good do these look? Oh my goodness. I'm just debating whether to eat one now while it's warm or wait for the morning. Oops. So guys, I just sat down to eat one of the brownies that I made yesterday on the sofa, and I realised that I hadn't even ended this vlog last night. I just went to bed in a brownie coma. It was so good. I was actually so impressed with myself. I'm so happy that OGX challenged me to do this. From an anxiety and like a mental health point of view, it's so good to push yourself out of your comfort zone. And I feel like my job day to day does that anyway. Like, I have to do things that I would shy away from usually, like taking photos in front of people, going to events and stuff like that. this has taken it to a whole new level. Let me tell you, I was so anxious before I went because I thought the woman that was running it was going to judge me on like how I cut my vegetables, my lack of knowledge on like general cooking things and just all of this, but it was totally not like that. Sam always cooks for me, so I don't make an effort, which is something that I really want to do. He was actually so happy that I cooked last night, and I'm like, don't get used to it. No, I am gonna make an effort and try, but pat on the back to me because I'm proud that I've done it all. And although I do still think there's something other than gluten that's upsetting my stomach, it's a start. When I started having problems with bloating and stuff, I felt so lost. I didn't know what it was. I felt like I was the only person that felt like this. And after putting it on my story and on my Instagram and stuff, loads of you guys have said you felt the same. My hair this month has been the most voluminous and shiny that it's ever been. Like, I mean, you can see for yourself. You don't need me to tell you. I'm just having a real grateful moment because OGX is one of my favorite hair brands, and the fact that they work with me on this and that I've got to do something that I gained a lot from, and I get to call that work. So I am gonna stop rambling, but I really hope you guys like this video. And for those of you who suffer with anxiety who are watching this, then please if you're gonna take one thing from it, do something that pushes you out of your comfort zone and makes you feel bright, because that's what this campaign is about. Not only is my hair feeling bright, I'm feeling bright, I'm feeling better. I feel like I'm on the right track with a lot of things. So if you did like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoy cooking, if you don't enjoy cooking, if you also suffer from some kind of intolerance. Like, please send me tips, because I'm new to this. It's kind of scary. I'm kind of getting there. So yes, I will see you very soon.